Hi everyone, so welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be looking at XAU USD, right? So that's gold. Now gold has a very weird configuration on the longer time frame. Okay, on the daily is really in a squeeze, a sideways squeeze, as you can see over here. Okay, we are not, I wouldn't say I'm very certain whether market's making new high or new lows. Okay, but so it's really in a squeeze even on a weekly. It's not very clear. So let's start off with the 4 hours. Now on the 4 hours, I just want to look at this structure over here. Okay, I just really want to focus on this structure here. Like I say, it's in a squeeze, and due to the fractal nature of markets, we believe that on the lower time frame there should also be a squeeze, right? And that means we can try to fade the support resistances and try to just collect a bit of profits in the market on the intraday basis. So over here is the 4 hours. We see that the markets really move sideways before breaking lower. Okay, so the market made a high before making a low, and then made a lower high. However, over here market made a higher low. Okay, so like I said, fractal nature of markets, in a squeeze we should see a lower high, really in a nice triangle. If you were to draw the trend line connecting the highs, okay, something like that. Let me just adjust that. Okay, something like that. Really is in a squeeze. So what I'm expecting price to do is really just push up to this area here, and then after that go back down. But what price can also do is price can push up to this area here and then explode upwards, or price can just come back down, okay, explode downwards. Alright, because it's in a squeeze. Well, I just want you guys to know that this is really the short-term structure that we're looking at. So let's quickly go down to the 1 hour time frame. So on a 1 hour time frame, okay, just want to show you guys, you can actually take a Fibonacci extension, project upwards, 0.1, 0.2, sorry, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3, and we see the 100% is quite close to the ascending trend line, right? I'm using the 100% because it is a key Fibonacci ratio level, okay, and also enclosed is near this graphical overlap. Alright, so if we were to take a retracement from the high to the low, okay, and open up all Fibonacci ratios, okay, we see that the 100% is also close to the 61.8. It is 61.8 is also quite close to the trendline resistance. Alright, so what I want to show you guys is I can just this will be my target over here. This area will be my target over here. So this can be my take profit. Alright, this really is a take profit zone. Okay, this is a take profit zone. Okay, and question now is, where do I find my entry? Right, I like to use entries on pullback. Okay, so I can use the Fibonacci retracement of this last move, probably looking at the 50% level. Okay, the 50% level, because it's in line with the trend line and this graphical overlap. So I can use this, okay, as an entry. Alright, and then where will my stop loss be? Very clearly my stop loss will be outside of market structure. Now I'm not going to put it right at the bottom, I'm going to back it up a bit. Okay, so it's a nice trade with about a 1:2 risk reward, okay, because we're always waiting for that pullback. Right, so this is what I see for gold. Last but not least, okay, we can actually put a moving average exponential. Okay, 9 is too sensitive. Let's try 21. Okay, 21 looks better. It also holds the trend when the market is trending downwards or upwards. Okay, so let me just change the color so it's easier to see. Alright, so 21 moving average. Okay, price is above 21 moving average. We are in a squeeze now. Alright, but let's just try to see what profits we can take from the market. Okay, so I like to keep the risk reward nice, especially when the long-term trend direction is uncertain. So that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I will catch you guys again. Take care, trade safe, stay safe.